Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find XRP wallet address on Binance. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Binance exchange. Once you have logged into your Binance, you need to click on Asset at the bottom right corner. After that, click on Add Funds, and now you need to click on this On-Chain Deposit button. And from here, you need to search for XRP coin in the search bar and simply select XRP. Now here you can see three networks out there. So simply select a network that offers you a minimal and almost 0% fees. So you need to click on this XRP ledger because it supports almost zero point 0.0 types fees. Always keep in mind that you have to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on XRP ledger, and after that here you can see your memo tag and deposit address XRP ledger. Simply copy this address and there you go. And that's it. Now you know how to find XRP wallet address on Binance. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.